Video is a powerful way to tell your story, but creating captivating, cinematic footage is difficult. The biggest difference between amateur video and professional film is camera movement. That's why we built a portable, easy to use, and affordable motion control system. Axis 360 is a motorized camera mount that enables you to create dynamic time-lapse photography and video. Its modular design provides precise panning, tilting, and sliding camera moves. And you can combine Axis 360s for 2- and 3-axis motion control. We're excited to offer Axis 360 on Kickstarter and can't wait to see what you create with it. But we need your help to fund the first production run. Cinetics began when we launched Cineskates on Kickstarter. Backers' feedback poured in. So we got to work designing, building, and testing. Axis 360 is a result of the features and functions that you requested.
We're Cinetics. Introducing Lynx. An ultra-smooth camera slider and multi-axis motion control system. It's a master of time-lapse and can make precision video moves. But it's capable of so much more. Lynx consists of 4 main components: the slider motor, controller, and pan and tilt motors. And they're built to the highest standards, with unrivaled attention to detail. Lynx makes precise and powerful slides, pans, and tilts. It's whisper quiet and can be used in nearly any environment. It can run preset programs or be configured to run complex moves. A convenient mobile app enables effortless remote control. And gyroscope technology takes live camera movement to the next level. Our backers have inspired us to build the absolute best gear. When we see your photos and videos, we're motivated to keep improving. Now, we're proud to offer you our best products yet.
Genie can be set up for either panning or linear motion. Once the panning accessory has been screwed onto your tripod, the Genie is simply attached and set up to record a panning time lapse.
To switch to linear mode, the Genie is simply removed from the tripod and attached to the linear accessory. Now the Genie is able to capture time lapses in an endless range of possible linear movement. On a slider, rope is attached to the end of the track using the supplied accessory, and the Genie drives itself along the rope. Unlike other motion control equipment, the Genie is extremely portable and is designed to be a part of your regular camera kit. This means you never have to go without the option of motion control, no matter how constrained your location may be. The Genie can be set up in two different modes, either for time-lapse or real-time video. In video mode, with the panning accessory attached, the Genie can perform perfectly smooth pans or tilts. When attached to a slider, the Genie will enable you to capture precise tracking shots that are otherwise impossible to get by hand. In time-lapse mode, the Genie moves differently and performs a move, shoot, move function. This allows the Genie to come to a complete stop before telling your camera to fire the shutter.
The Genie seamlessly integrates with all your professional equipment, adapting to suit your ever-expanding camera kit, making it useful for a lifetime.
The Genie is not only limited to professional equipment, you can also use it on all of your DIY projects. The movement of your time-lapse is only limited by the length of your rope, meaning that the Genie will travel much further than other time-lapse equipment. We've even tested it on a homemade cable cam, driving at 60 feet over a lake. We've only just scratched the surface as to what can be done with the Genie, and we know with your imagination it can be pushed much further. Just imagine all those shots you can now get that weren't ever before possible.
We've spent a lot of time developing the software side of the Genie. We wanted to make it as easy to use as possible, and this is one of the key features. If you haven't taken a time-lapse before and you're confused about the various settings, then you can simply start a factory preset from our preset menu. Right out of the box, the Genie comes with some amazing presets. With the push of just a few buttons, you can start some simple time-lapses like stars, people, or clouds.
For the more experienced time-lapse users, parameters can be set manually. If your time-lapse works out, then save your settings as a preset. Now you can easily revert back to it on your next shoot. You can save as many as you like into the recording menu. This leaves you more time to concentrate in your shot rather than the settings.
Hey Kickstarter, we are Apodo, a company born in Spain to reinvent camera motion systems. Our aim is to make professional equipment accessible to any photographer or video enthusiast. In 2016, a group of professional filmmakers realized during a shoot how difficult it was to control camera motion systems and how expensive and complex they were. Therefore, we decided to come together and create a unique solution that could fix all these problems. That's how Apodo, Slider and Dolly was born. After selling the product in Spain and realizing its potential, we come to Kickstarter to expand our borders and make this innovative product viable to everyone. Apodo Slider and Dolly is the perfect solution for people who needs a versatile, programmable and portable slider that fits in a backpack. This premium 2-in-1 product offers all the benefits of a motorized slider with the best of a motorized dolly. The dolly is our main component. Your movement is not limited. You only need a flat surface to move your camera freely. Due to its rotating axis, you'll have infinite possibilities. You can go from this shot to this one with only one movement. One of the main attractions of the dolly is that it is a perfect tool for advertising. With it, you can record videos surrounding products, approaching an artwork, etc. All this, added to the easy transport, makes the dolly the perfect ally for every filmmaker. The only component of our slider and dolly is the advanced slide system. It's the part of the product in which we spent more hours developing. Due to our research, we detected that all these systems are usually bulky. Therefore, we have created a new revolutionary solution, a portable slider. We have developed detachable rails with maximum precision, which makes the assembly imperceptible. You can enjoy being able to travel with this motorized slider and support it precisely on any surface or using tripods, thanks to its different points of support. In addition, Slider and Dolly is designed to work even in vertical motion, being able to move up to 7.7 pounds. With the adjustable legs, the ground won't be an obstacle anymore. Tracking a subject in an interview at any distance, film arcing or sweeping shots wherever you want are possible with the Slider and Dolly. You just need to plug the panning module on the dolly and it will provide you with stunning dynamic sequences. In addition, thanks to its ultra-quiet technology, you can record interviews like this directly with the camera's microphone. During our market research, we discovered that people were looking for a simple control. So, we have developed an intuitive real-time programming and control system which allow you to work in 4 different modes. Manual mode offers the possibility to control in real time the speed of the slider and dolly in a range of 40 different speeds, from 0.03 inches per second to 15.35 inches per second, allowing you to adapt to any kind of a scene. Set initial and ending points of the motion desired, speed, acceleration run percentage, and if you want to repeat it in a loop or not. is that easy to use the automatic mode. In time-lapse mode, we have included shoot move shoot method. That means that the camera only moves between exposures and stands still during shoot. It is the only way to make a time-lapse work. You will have to set initial and ending points of the motion, the final clip time, interval, and exposure time. With the trigger cable included, the slider will control your camera shot. Advanced mode of exposure time control will allow you to set different exposure ramps for sunset and sunrise time lapses. Using the same parameters as time-lapse mode, in stop motion, you will control each shoot. These will let you to physically manipulate the objects between shots and create the illusion of movement. When we started the project, we knew that one of the main objectives was to make the product accessible to anyone. Therefore, we have focused on reducing the cost of our product using the most advanced technology, such as 3D printing. These allow us to launch a premium product with a lower price to the market.